This morning we're at the Roma cattle sales, looking for a good steed, hey? Looking for a good cow, aren't we? And you'll notice we are looking the part with the Akubra hats. This is a big operation, Roma cattle sales. So this is pen 35 and they paid $4.56 per kilo. The average was 462 kilos and the price for each beast was $2,108 per head of cattle. So Pat, did you buy anything? So the Roma cattle sales are the biggest sales in Australia, and every week 6,000 to 8,000 head of cattle go through this market, and the only time this market closes is for about 3 weeks over the Christmas period. A big operation. So to give you an idea of the scale of the operation, if they're selling 8,000 head of cattle per week at an average of $17.50 per head of cattle, that's $14 million a week.